Goeiemôre en welkom by almal se mikrofoon. Jy's ingeskakel op Waterberg Stereo 104.9 FM. Dis alweer maandag en is lekker om weer saam met julle te kuier. Ek is Lindel Smit en ek gaan jou geselskap hou vir die volgende uur. Bly ingeskakel vir 'n propvol program, maar kom ons skop eers af met When It Rains It Pours van Luke Combs.
Sunday morning, man, she woke up fighting mad, bitching and moaning on and on about the time I had. And by Tuesday you could say that girl was good as gone. And then when Thursday came around, I was all alone. So I went for a drive to clear my mind, ended up at a Shell on I-65. Then I won $100 on a scratch-off ticket, bought 2 12-packs and a tank of gas with it. She swore they were a waste of time, all, but she was wrong. I was calling number 5 on the radio station, won a 4-day, 3-night beach vacation, deep sea senorita fishing down in Panama. And I ain't gotta see my ex-future mother-in-law anymore. Oh Lord, when it rains it pours. Now she was sure real quick to up and apologize when she heard about my newfound luck on that FM dial. And it's crazy how lately now it just seems to come in waves. What I thought was gonna be the death of me was my saving grace. It's got me thinking that her leaving is the only logical reason that I got the last spot in the Hooters parking lot, and the waitress left her number on my check with a heart. She picked up on the first ring when I gave her a call. And I'll spent $5 at the Moose Club raffle, won a used 4-wheeler and 3 free passes for me and 2 of my buddies to play around a golf. And I ain't gotta see my ex-future mother-in-law anymore. Oh Lord, when it rains it pours. When it rains it pours. I've been on one hell of a redneck road for 3 weeks now, and it all started on the day that she walked out. Then I won $100 on a scratch-off ticket, bought 2 12-packs and a tank of gas with it. She swore they were a waste of time, all, but she was wrong. And I was calling number 5 on the radio station, won a 4-day, 3-night beach vacation, deep sea senorita fishing down in Panama. And I ain't gotta see my ex-future mother-in-law anymore. Oh Lord, when it rains it pours. When it rains it pours.
I want you to know that I love you and need you and want you a million times more than anyone that I've known before. 'Cause you fill up my heart stay with me, stay. Tonight, the light in your head is soft as the wind. There's a magical mood in the air, but it disappears the minute you're gone. So stay with me, stay with me, stay tonight and the rest of my days. I need you more than it shows, all of your body and soul. You are the light of my life. You are the one thing that's right. So let's take it all the way. Stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, stay. Stay with me, stay with me, stay. Stay with me, stay with me, stay. Tonight and the rest of my days. I need you more than it shows, all of your body and soul. You are the light of my life. You are the one thing that's right. So let's take it all the way. Stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, stay. Tonight and the rest of my days. I need you more than it shows.
Lacey J. Dalton met Stay With Me, nog 'n lekker treffer om jou maandagoggend op te kikker. Vandag fokus ons op 'n onderwerp wat talle ouers en gesinne raak: kinderonderhoud. Dit is nie net 'n wettige verpligting nie, maar ook 'n morele een wat daarop gemik is om te verseker dat beide ouers bydra tot die finansiële versorging van hul kinders. Dit is skokkend om te hoor hoeveel pappas eenvoudig net nie hulle verpligtinge nakom nie. Mamas sit met hande in hulle hare omdat hulle net nie meer weet wat om te doen of hoe om onderhoud uit die pappa uit te kry nie. Hier by Waterberg Stereo ontvang ons gereeld navrae van luisteraars en ons strewe om gemeenskapsdeelname te bevorder. Anoniem wil weet wat gebeur as iemand net nie meer in staat is om onderhoud vir die kinders te betaal nie, en kan die grootouers van die verpligtende wettiglik gedagvaar word om onderhoud te betaal. Ek het gaan kers opsteek by die prokureursfirma Shapiro en Hasbroek in Pretoria en Leon Hasbroek het ingestem om hierdie vraag te beantwoord. Bly ingeskakel, ons luister na sy waardevolle insig net hierna.
If you want it, take it. I should have said it before. Try to hide it, fake it. I can't pretend anymore. I only wanna die alive, never by the hands of a broken heart.
Dit was Ariana Grande met Break Free. Ons skakel oor na Shapiro en Haasbroek direk na die breek, bly ingeskakel.
'n Saamryklub is goed, maar ons moes my motor gebruik het.
Daar's hy!
Vinnige vragie, wat raas so?
Die vering.
Wag, hier's 'n Superquick net om die draai. Hulle herstel brieke, batterye, skokbrekers, uitlaatpype en bande.
Iets fout met jou motor. Superquick herstel brieke, batterye, skokbrekers en uitlaatpype. Vind jou naaste Superquick by superquick.co.za. Superquick, tire experts, closer to you. Besenfees geld.
Kom ervaar die hartlike Bosveld atmosfeer by die Weesgerus vakansieoord. Die oord is geleë in die asemrowende natuurskoon van die Waterberg omgewing, slegs 130 km noord van Pretoria. Die privaat instansie bied puikvakantiegeriewe aan die publiek en beskik oor gerieflike chalets asook woonbaar staanplekke. Met ontspanningsgeriewe waarvan die swembaddens besonder indrukwekkend is, bied Weesgerus vakansieoord ook partytjies, bruilofte en sosiale funksies aan. Vir spesiale tariewe, kontak Weesgerus vakansieoord by 014 718 7100.
Action Ford Modi Moli, jou een-stop Ford-handelaar in die Waterberge. Ons glo in die gemeenskap van Modi Moli en omgewing. Nie omdat ons moet nie, maar omdat ons kan. Skakel ons vandag by 014 717 1054 vir die beste pryse en diens gewaarborg.
Leon, baie dankie vir jou tyd en jou bereidwilligheid om die vraag van ons te beantwoord, 'n bietjie meer lig op dit te sit.
Dis 'n plesier. Dit is 'n konsep wat al kom en sy oorsprong in ons reg gehad het in 1945 met die appelhofsaak van Mutan versus Joseph. Die uiteinde daarvan is dood eenvoudig. Natuurlik, dit maak ook nie meer saak of 'n kind binne die reg of buite die reg gebore is nie. Daar is nie meer onderskeid nie. So, die uiteinde is as 'n ouer wat verantwoordelik is vir die onderhoud van 'n kind, dit nie kan betaal nie, dan kan daar stappe geneem word teen die grootouers. Nou, wat belangrik is en wat onthou moet word is, Hof moet bevind dat die verpligte ouer wat die onderhoud moet betaal, niks kan betaal. Dan moet beide ouer of oupas en ouma aan beide kante gevoeg word tot die verrigtinge en dan kan hulle verantwoordelik gehou word vir die onderhoud van die minderjariges. En dit is in kort
Okay.
die situasie.
Baie dankie, ek waardeer dit. Baie
Dis 'n
dankie.
plesier.
Op jou radio, rekenaar, tablet of jou foon. Ons is saam jou.
Weereens 'n groot dankie aan Leon Haasbroek wat hierdie belangrike vraag vir ons geantwoord het. Dit blyk dat beide partye se ouers inderdaad verantwoordelik gehou kan word vir onderhoud. Dit is belangrik om te weet dat die plig om onderhoud te betaal hoofsaaklik op ouers rus, maar indien hulle nie in staat is nie, kan grootouers ook aanspreeklik gehou word, maar die hof moet egter eers bevind dat die ouers nie in staat is om te betaal nie, voordat grootouers verantwoordelik gehou kan word en beide partye se ouers kan dan aanspreeklik gehou word. Kontak gerus vir Leon Haasbroek van Shapiro en Haasbroek in Pretoria vir meer insig en leiding. Hulle is daar om jou met kundige advies by te staan. Almal se mikrofoon is 'n program wat spesifiek vir sy luisteraars ontwerp is. Ons kan julle verseker dat deeglike navorsing gedoen word voor die samestelling van elke uitsending. Ons maak ook gebruik van insette deur kundiges om relevante inligting en opvoedkundige inhoud van hoë gehalte te verseker. Almal se mikrofoon staan vir volle gemeenskapsdeelname en skep 'n platform waar elke stem gehoor word. Indien jy onderhoud vir jouself of jou kinders wil eis, is die volgende stappe baie belangrik. Stap 1. Bepaal die regte hof. Dien jou aansoek in by die Landdroshof in die distrik waar jy woon. As jy onseker is, kan jou plaaslike hof jou inlig oor die korrekte hof. Stap 2. Jy sal die volgende benodig: jou ID-dokument, die ID van die persoon van wie jy onderhoud eis, bankstate, 'n lys van die kind of kinders se uitgawes, bewyse van hierdie uitgawes, soos kwitansies vir kos, elektrisiteit en huur. Kontakbesonderhede van die persoon van wie jy onderhoud eis, insluitend werk en woonadres. Enige beskikbare hofbevel of egskeidingsooreenkoms. Stap 3. Dien die aansoek in, gaan na die toepaslike Landdroshof en voltooi vorm A. dis die J101 vorm vir aansoek om 'n onderhoudsbevel. Dien dit in saam met jou bewys van inkomste en uitgawes. Stap 4 is die hofproses. Die hof sal 'n datum bepaal waarop jy en die persoon van wie jy onderhoud eis moet verskyn. 'n Onderhoudsbeampte en 'n ondersoeker sal jou eis en omstandighede evalueer. Die respondent kan instem om die onderhoud te betaal of die eis betwis. Indien die respondent instem, sal die landdros 'n bevel uitreik indien dit betwis word. Sal 'n verhoor plaasvind en die hof sal die onderhoudsbedrag bepaal. Stap 5 is die betalingsmetode. Onderhoudsbetaling kan gemaak word deur direkte betaling in jou bankrekening, betaling by die plaaslike landdroshof of ander aangewese rekeningskantore, 'n lasbrief wat die werkgewer van die respondent opdrag gee om die onderhoud direk van die salaris af te trek. Stap 6. Indien jy 'n verhoging of verlaging van die onderhoudsbedrag benodig, kan jy aansoek doen by die landdroshof met 'n staat van inkomste en uitgawes. Stap 7 is dan natuurlik, as die onderhoud nie betaal word nie, kan dit lei tot minagting van die hof, asook siviele en kriminele verrigtinge, beslaglegging op salaris, bankrekening of bates, en dan laaste arrestasiebevel. Ek het nog 'n vraag ontvang van 'n anonieme luisteraar en anoniem wil weet, hoe lank vat dit? Anoniem, dit is maar 'n stadige proses, maar vir meer inligting oor die onderhoudsproses kan jy ook die Departement van Justisie en Staatkundige Ontwikkeling se webwerf besoek. Ek hoop dit het die sluier gelig op meeste vrae. Kom ons luister 'n bietjie country medley van Teens Jordaan en Janita Du Plessis.
Far away in my old common labor shoes, I turned the whole wild world away just because you asked me to.
Like into no other feeling, simple love is simple truth. There's no end to what I'll do, because you asked me to.
Let the world call me a fool, but if things are right with me and you, that's all that matters, and I'll do anything you ask me to. Let the world call me a fool, but if things are right with me and you, that's all that matters, and I'll do anything you ask me to. Coffee black, cigarette, start this day like all the rest. First thing every morning that I do is start pressing you. Some broken hearts never mend, some memories never end, some tears will never dry. My love for you will never die. Some broken hearts never mend, some memories never end, some tears will never dry. My love for you will never die. My love for you will never die. My love for you will never die.
Lekker is op, alles goed.
Money talks, but he don't sing and dance and he don't walk. As long as I can have you here with me, I'd much rather be forever in blue jeans, yeah.
honey sweet, but it ain't nothing next to Baby Street. And if you pardon me, I'd like to say we'll do okay, forever in blue jeans, yeah. Maybe tonight by the fire, all alone, you and I. There's nothing around but the sound of my heart in your side. Can you hear me now? Hey! Money talks, but he can't sing and dance and he can't walk. As long as I can have you here with me, I'd much rather be forever in blue jeans, yeah. Honey sweet, but it ain't nothing next to Baby Street. And if you pardon me, I'd like to say we'll do okay, forever in blue jeans, yeah. Blue jeans, yeah.
I was born and raised in the ghetto. Talk with me and you know I wasn't satisfied with living on the side. I started looking around for a possibility. Listen to my story of what became of me. I met a businessman, said he had some friends back east. Said, why don't you come along? Well, we can help you at least. We'll make you into a big star by playing your guitar. But the joke was on me. They left me flat to see. Going back west, yes I know I'll make that alright. Going back west, by my middle six, playing all night.
So dis 2 Billy Beef burgers met skyfies, melkskommels en extra neervletjies. Dis altesaam R50. Baie dankie. Betaal asseblief by die volgende venster.
Die lewe was altyd goedkoper, maar nie als hoef vandag te veel te kos nie. Betaal die land se beste veselpryse by Herotel, soos R499 vir 'n 50 megabits per sekonde lyn met onbeperkte data. Die pryse is so goed. Gaan na herotel.com en vergaap jou aan Suid-Afrika se laagste veselpryse.
Imagine a future where everyone is safe, confident and able to thrive. A future where violence no longer exists.
At Anglo American, the safety of our people and host communities are our first priority. We are committed to a zero-tolerance approach with regards to sexual harassment, gender-based violence, bullying, harassment, domestic violence, and victimization.
Our Living with Dignity Hub, underpinned by our global bullying, harassment, victimization and domestic violence policy, is addressing these harmful behaviors at the highest levels.
Together, we can change the narrative on gender-based violence from impossible to I'm possible. Contact the Gender Based Violence Command Center on 0800 428 428 for support.
Together, we are shaping a better future. Anglo American.
Welkom by Almal se Mikrofoon, waar elke stem 'n kans kry om gehoor te word. Of jy 'n storie het, 'n vraag wil vra of jou gedagtes wil deel, hier is die plek om dit te doen. Stuur jou inskrywings of vrae na ons WhatsApp nommer by 079 449 2999 en maak deel van die gesprek. Kom ons maak hierdie platform 'n ruimte vir elkeen se unieke stem.
In a bar in Toledo, across from the depot, on a bar stool she took off her ring. I thought I'd get closer, so I walked on over. I sat down and asked her name. When the drinks finally hit her, she said, I'm no quitter, but I finally quit living on dreams. I'm hungry for laughter, and here ever after, I'm after whatever the other life brings. In the mirror I saw him, and I closely watched him. I thought how he looked out of place. He came to the woman who sat there beside me. He had a strange look on his face. The big hands were calloused, he looked like a mountain. For a minute I thought I was dead. But he started shaking, his big heart was breaking. He turned to the woman and said, You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille, with 4 hungry children and a crop in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times, but this time you're hurting won't heal. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. After he left us, I ordered more whiskey. I thought how she'd made him look small. From the lights of the bar room to a rented hotel room, we walked without talking at all. She was a beauty, but when she came to me, she must have thought I'd lost my mind. I couldn't hold her, 'cause the words that he told her kept coming back time after time. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille, with 4 hungry children and a crop in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times, but this time you're hurting won't heal. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille, with 4 hungry children and a crop in the field. I've
This is an important announcement.
Waterberg Stereo se bestuur kondig aan dat die Onafhanklike Kommunikasie-owerheid van Suid-Afrika, oftewel ICASA, reeds ons aansoek om 'n sogenaamde Communication Network Service License reeds op 9 September 2024 goedgekeur het. Dit stel Waterberg Stereo as 'n bona fide gemeenskapsradiostasie en as 'n nuwensgewende maatskappy in staat om sy uitsendings in die grafiese area aansienlik uit te brei. Alvorens ons regsadviseur en die bestuurspan kan aansoek doen vir die nodige lisensies, benodig Waterberg Stereo genoegsame fondse vir die oprigting en daarstelling van die nodige bereikaanvullers, ook bekend as gapfillers. Ons stasiebestuurder Kobus Swanepoel en die direksie van Waterberg Stereo rig 'n vriendelike versoek aan ons luisteraars, ook vir die wat na ons luister in die buiteland op die internet, adverteerders, borge en voornemende skenkers om Kobus te kontak by 081-873-2598 indien jy 'n bydrae wil maak. Ons glo en vertrou dat ons genoegsame ondersteuning sal ontvang om 'n lang gekoesterde ideaal so spoedig moontlik te kan verwesenlik. Skakel Kobus Swanepoel nou by 081-873-2598.
Get out, damn it. Close the door, don't slam it. Let me be alone a while to give my nerves a rest. Whatever you do, I love you. No matter what you do, I love you. And I want to run after you, but I don't know what's best. If you will take good care of me, I'll be your caretaker. You'll be the maker of the peace. I'll be the peacemaker. You will take good care of me, then I'll be your caretaker. You'll be the maker of the peace. I'll be the peacemaker. Hours later, I hear the key in the front door. We look each other in the eye, a timid sorry pair. There's a little more conversation, just a little more conversation. A battle's lost, a war is won, I think we've cleared the air. You will take good care of me, I'll be your caretaker. You'll be the maker of the peace, I'll be the peacemaker. You will take good care of me, then I'll be your caretaker. You'll be the maker of the peace, I'll be the peacemaker. You will take good care of me, then I'll be your caretaker. You'll be the maker of the peace, I'll be the peacemaker. You will take good care of me, then I'll be your caretaker. You'll be the maker of the peace, I'll be the peacemaker. You will take good care of me, then I'll be your caretaker. You'll be the maker of the peace.
Dit was Peacemaker deur Albert Hammond. Hou aan luister want ons het nog meer van jou gunsteling musiek op pad. Bly ingeskakel.
Ek skryf om te onthou, ek skryf om te vergeet. Ek skryf nou om die grond te breek, om my sondes te verneek. Ek praat nie meer so hard nie, my verlede is verlig. Ek's gedigtig vir my toekoms, want uiteindelik is jy terug. Ek dans met gevaar, te hou. Jou liefde word gevaarlik. Jou hart word my geboortemerk. Jou vloed rippel deur my bloed. Ek lees jou tussen lyne. Gravitasie maak jou myne. Die dood kom jag my in 'n bos. Jou hand kan my nie los. Ek dans met gevaar. Stuur my die hartelichten, zweef jy die wind met jou vleerkussen. Ek dans met gevaar. Met jou vlakke vlieg gaan my vastleggen, vlieg met my waar die kinders dansen. Ek dans met gevaar.
There's a reason for the sunshine and sky, and there's a reason why I'm feeling so high. Must be the season when that love light shines all around us. So let that feeling wrap you deep inside and send you reeling where your love can hide, and then go stealing through the moonlit night with your lover. Just let your love flow like a mountain stream, and let your love grow with the smallest of dreams, and let your love show, and you'll know what I mean. It's the season. And let your love fly like a bird on a wing, and let your love bind you to all living things, and let your love shine, and you'll know what I mean. That's the reason. There's a reason for the warm sweet nights, and there's a reason for the candle lights. Must be the season when those love lights shine all around us. So let that wonder take you into space and lay you under its loving embrace. Just feel the thunder as it warms your face. You can't hold back. Just let your love flow like a mountain stream, and let your love go with the smallest of dreams, and let your love show, and you'll know what I mean. It's the season. And let your love fly like a bird on a wing, and let your love bind you to all living things, and let your love shine, and you'll know what I mean. That's the reason. tallest of trees and let your love show. And you'll know what I mean. It's the season.
Ons het geluister na Dans met Gevaar deur John Boucher, gevolg deur Let Your Love Flow deur The Gamblers. Onthou, jy kan my gerus 'n WhatsApp stuur met jou musiekversoeke, boodskappe of selfs as jy raad nodig het. Ek geniet dit regtig om van julle te hoor. Die nommer in die ateljee is 079449299. Ek wag vir jou boodskap. Bly ingeskakel, want na 'n kort breek is ek terug vir die laaste 15 minute. Moenie weggaan nie.
Soek jy die perfekte wegbreek in die hartjie van Modimolle Limpopo, of is jy 'n sakereisiger? Kyk nie verder as Gorgeous Gecko Gastehuis nie. Ons het 18 keurige slaapkamers met ensuite badkamers, heerlike tuisgemaakte maaltye, veilige parkering, 2 sprankelende swembaddens, 2 gesellige braai-areas met wifi. Onthou geriewe vir 40 mense, baba tees, vroue dae, doekebraai vir die manne ensovoorts. Laaste maar nie die minste nie, het ons 'n welstandspa. Bederf jouself met ons verskeidenheid behandelings wat jou verfris en vernuwe sal laat voel. Alles onder een dak. Jy sal dan ook vir my Sonika en ons ander gasheer Ellen ontmoet, wat sal verseker dat jou verblyf niks minder as buitengewoon is nie. Gorgeous Gecko Gastehuis is gerieflik naby. Ons is net 120 km noord van Pretoria. Bespreek jou verblyf vandag en ervaar luukse gerief en gasvryheid soos nog nooit tevore nie. Besprekings kan gedoen word by 073 625 8250 of besoek ons webtuiste www.geckonail.co.za.
Wonder jy wat die pragtige Waterbergstreek jou kan bied as jy op die laaste minuut besluit om weg te breek? Of wil jy vroegtydig beplan? Ons is opgewonde om ons nuwe program Last Minute at Waterberg aan julle bekend te stel. Elke week sal ons die jongste toerisme nuus bespreek, hoogtepunte van besienswaardighede uitlig en vir jou wenke gee oor die beste plekke om te eet, bly en verken. Toerismelede word ook die kans gegee om hul fasiliteite, geleenthede, spyskaarte en spesiale aanbiedings te adverteer. Moenie Last Minute at Waterberg misloop nie. Elke donderdag om 11:30, net hier op Waterberg Stereo, jou uiteindelike gids tot die beste van die Waterbergstreek. Hierdie program is moontlik gemaak deur Waterberg Toerisme 082 770 1701.
Brandewyn, brandewyn, brandewyn was nog nooit so lekker vir my. Sha! Jakkels gooi vir my lekker dop, 'n diet of 'n forum chop, 'n dubbel salm ons lekker loop, maar die Engels is uitverkoop, ek weet. Kan ons maar 'n kleintjie drink, jou jakkie meister is klaar geskik. Whisky, tequila en brandewyn koop, jy klink soos Dion Groot. Brandewyn, stout te koud vir my. Brandewyn, jy moet pas op, die ding is kop. Hou my dop, check it move. Jakkels die ding het my hart gelooi, piek die hele baie mooi. Ek is Dion Groot en is my eerste drink. Ek is Jakkie en ek het 6 bikke wyne sien. 6 wat? Hey, trippels is onwettig chom. Yep. Ja, dat goed maak my baie dom. Dag nog 2 tequila's drink, 2 stouters, klaar geskink. Wat is stouters? Hierdie stouters. Brandewyn, stout te koud vir my. Brandewyn, jy moet pas op, die ding is kop. Hou my dop. Brandewyn, nog een hier. Stoute kook vir my. Wat 'n kook? Stoute kook. Brandewyn, jy moet pas op, die ding is kop. Brandewyn, stoute kook vir my. Yeah. Brandewyn, jy moet pas op, die ding is
Brandewyn, brandewyn, brandewyn was nog nooit so lekker vir my.
Jy is ingeskakel op Waterberg Stereo 104.9 FM. Ek is Lindel Smit, die stem agter almal se mikrofoon. Ek bring energie, insig en 'n passie om met die gemeenskap in verbinding te tree deur betekenisvolle gesprekke en goeie musiek. As die aanbieder van almal se mikrofoon, bring ek lewendige besprekings, interessante onderwerpe en 'n platform vir die gemeenskap om hul stemme te deel elke maandagooggend van 9 tot 11. Ek glo dat elke storie saak maak en is toegewyd om te sorg dat elke stem gehoor word. Besoek gerus my webtuiste www.lindelsmit.co.za. Dan ook die WhatsApp nommer vir almal se mikrofoon 0794492999. Waterberg Stereo, die stasie wat nog omgee.
Summer's day when I became a man at the hands of a girl almost twice my age, and she came to me just like the morning sun, and it wasn't so much her words as such as the way they were sung. It was the way they were sung. Song. Time was right, the night was long. Remember Desiree, oh Desiree. Somehow I knew I could only have you till the morning light. If only for that single night. Sweet Desiree, you made it right. June, on that sleepless night, when I tossed and I turned while the thought of her burned up and down my mind. For she was there and gone, without one regret. But she continues on like the words of a song I could not forget. I could not forget. Desiree, oh Desiree, there I was found by the sweet passion sound of your loving song. The time was right, the night was long. Remember Desiree, oh Desiree, and though somehow I knew I could only have you till the morning light. The night was long, the time was right. Do you remember Desiree? Oh Desiree. Do you remember Desiree?
Dit was Neil Diamond met Desiree en so groet ek jou vir nou. Onthou, jy kan weer saam met my kuier elke maandagooggend om 9 met die herhaling Dinsdag aand om 10. Ek sien uit daarna om weer saam met jou te kuier. Wees veilig, wees goed vir jouself en geniet die res van jou week. Om af te sluit, hier is Baby Makes Her Blue Jeans Talk deur Springbok. Tot volgende keer, lekker bly.
Falls on the city. Baby feels the beat. Slick and sexy angel of the street. The queen of Baby makes her blue jeans, yes, she makes her blue jeans talk. You know what she's thinking about, and it turns you inside out. She don't say nothing, but baby makes her blue jeans talk. Nighttime in the city, magic in the air. The action starts at midnight, she'll be there. The queen of all the night birds are playing in the dark. She don't say nothing, but baby makes her blue jeans talk. Baby makes her blue jeans, yes, she makes her blue jeans talk. Baby makes her blue jeans, yes, she makes her blue jeans talk. You know what she's thinking about, and it turns you inside out. She don't say nothing, but baby makes her blue jeans talk. Baby makes her blue jeans, yes, she makes her blue jeans talk. Baby makes her blue jeans, yes, she makes her blue jeans talk. You know what she's thinking about, and it turns you inside out. She don't say nothing, but baby makes her blue jeans